Hey beauties, this is Terry Wheat from Terry Wheat Makeup Tribe. Do you want to know the secret to how women get their eyeshadow to stay put on their eyes, to pop and be pigmented, to never crease even if you wear it for 2 days straight, and to not muddy together, to look exactly like you put it on even if you wear it for 36 hours straight? The key is priming your eyes. Now, there are eyeshadow primers out there, but what I have found is our brightening highlight works every bit as well. And so I have switched to that. It is cheaper than what I used to use. That was an official eyeshadow primer, and it fits directly into my palette. I'm already using it for concealing and for other things. And so I'm multitasking. I'm not adding another thing that I need to carry with me. And so it's already in my palette. And so it's a no-brainer for me. And so I just take our blend brush and put a little bit, and then I put it on before I even put my eyeshadows on. And then it's grippy because it's holding your eyeshadow on there. And so that it's easier to blend, you may even want to put just a little bit of powder over it before you go to your eyeshadows because it's extra grippy, but it's gonna make your colors pop. It's gonna make it more pigmented. We already have really pigmented eyeshadows and they are great, great quality. It's not going to crease, it's not going to muddy. You know how a lot of times if you're not using it, like after you blink your eyes the billions of times a day, it seems like almost like your eyeshadow goes away. With eyeshadow primer, that solves all the things. This is the answer. This is the secret. This is the trick. Our brightening highlight is amazing at it. It's cheaper than the eyeshadow primers and it's already right in your palette. All of our products are multitaskers, and why not use something that is already in your palette with everything else so that you don't have one more thing to carry in your makeup bag. When the tin is empty, you pop it out and you click in a new one. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need color matched, reach out to me through my links. And if you would like to be a saint artist and do what I do and have me mentor you, I would love to do that too. And thanks so much for watching.